It is tragic for British people. House prices are dropping and also interest rate is going up. House prices are going down. That means British people will struggle with houses that been purchased much on a higher level than now, and banks will wish to get from customers more payment when the house prices is going down. This is called negative equity. And the other hand, there is another problem as interest rate rising in UK, and this is very tragic for British people, as when interest rate is rising, then they have to pay much more for their mortgages. That means they will have to struggle with payment. However, it can last much longer than we can see now. The interest rate is just for a few days on high level as we have now, but when that will be for much longer time, like for let's say 1 decade before 2008, or maybe even higher, like in 90s and 80s, the British economy will struggle. British people will struggle. The house prices will go down even stronger and stronger and stronger. But this is not the end. Also, there is another problem, which is called GBP. GBP is going down against almost all currencies around the world. You can see this is a humiliation by Czech crown for a British pound. As we can see, British pound dropped to actually lowest level ever to Czech crown, which means if other currencies will tune to this level, British people will struggle so much, as that means another 20% drop can be expected to other currencies, as it happened to Czech crown. Yes, well, GBP yet didn't drop so strong to other currencies like Polish zloty, but if that will happen, then this will be a big problem, as British people they import a lot from European Union, and Czech crown is in European Union and Polish gold is in European Union, and these currencies are attached to actually euro. So this is a big huge problem for British people. House prices going down. Interest rate is going up. So property owners, they will have problem with the negative equity. On the other hand, there is rising interest rate. That means we have more and more payments for mortgage every month, and also the British pound is going down against many currencies that you may think are weak, but no, this is really bad thinking. And the last thing, the last and the most bright thing is of course GBP to gold. Look at this, what happened just in recent in this week. GDP is on the lowest level ever to gold from 2007, from very low point of 300 pounds per 1 ounce of gold. Today price went up to almost 1700, which means 5.5 times more. That means British pound lost value by 550% to gold in just 15 years. This is very, very bad. So we can see that the economy is struggling. Economy is in a bad, not mood, but in very bad position, as everything is going down in UK. Good luck. Let me ask you to give me subscription. That will take you just 1 second, and that will help me a lot. Thank you very much. Goodbye.